welcome back to your 30 days of yoga challenge. And we're on day 30, and we're actually going to take it all the way back down. We started with breath work, and that is where we're going to finish at the end of our 30 days with a little bit more breath work. Now, this is just a breathing technique called Nadi Shodhana, which is actually alternate nostril breathing. So we'll take the time to inhale and exhale, passing the breath up one nostril and then out of the other, and then all the way back up and out of the other one. I'll explain a little more when we get started. But this is a great breath to balance both the left and the right sides of the brain, so you're breathing evenly into both sides. It's also great if you've got a cold. Now, try to practice it when you've got a cold and you might feel like you can't breathe, but if you keep going, it actually alleviates some of the blockages in the nose and the nasal passages and can allow you to breathe a lot clearer. It's also really handy if you've got hay fever or you're suffering from any allergies. So taking some time to go through a few rounds of these breaths is amazing. It's also said to clear mental fog and just have this real clarity of mind, of body connection, alleviate stress and reduce anxiety. So it has so many benefits to it, and we're gonna just practice it a little bit today. So it's slightly odd with the hands, and you're actually gonna bring your right thumb, so bring your right hand up towards your face. The thumb of your right hand just presses just gently on your right nostril. Your ring finger and your middle finger are gonna just lightly land on the top of your nose, just the bridge of your nose or wherever feels comfortable, maybe even between the eyebrows. And then the left ring finger of your right hand, sorry, not the left, the ring finger of your right hand is going to land on your left nostril. So allow the fingers to gently rest, and the baby finger can just do whatever it likes. And just remove your thumb and your ring finger from your nose just to start, and just have the fingers pressing just on your forehead. Give it a little rub. Just find a few circles here. Find a little bit of pressure. Just taking away any tension in the forehead. And soften the face. And we're going to take a big inhale through the nose and take a big sigh out through the mouth. Take one more like that. Just inhale through the nose. Exhale, sigh out through the mouth. Nice. Now bring the thumb to the right nostril. I'm going to take a deep inhale through the left nostril. So inhale, filling all the way up. Now hold the breath and bring your ring finger to close the left nostril. And we're going to exhale the breath through the right nostril. So release the thumb from your nostril and exhale, let it all go through the right nostril. Hold the breath at the bottom. And inhale, we're taking all the way back up through the right nostril. Inhale. Thumb comes to press on the nostril. Hold the breath. Exhale, let it out through the left nostril. Hold at the bottom. Inhale, breathe in through the left nostril. Finger returns to the nostril, closing the passage. Exhale, release out of the right nostril. Release the thumb from the nose. Hold the breath. Inhale, bring it all the way back through the right nostril. Hold at the top, thumb comes to the nostril. Release the finger from the left and exhale, let it go through the left nostril. Hold at the bottom. Inhale through the left nostril. Block the nostril there, hold the breath. Exhale, release the thumb, let it go through the right nostril. Hold at the bottom. Inhale through the right. Thumb presses on the nostril. Exhale, let it go through the left. Inhale through the left. Finger to the nostril. Exhale, let it go through the right. Inhale, bring it all the way back through the right. Thumb comes to close it, and exhale, let it go through the left. We'll take one more round together. Inhale through the left. Finger comes to close the nostril, just gently, and exhale, let it go through the right. Inhale all the way through the right. Thumb comes to the nostril, and exhale, let it go through the left. Nice. Release the hands. Bring the hands back down to the legs and just land the body. And we'll take a big inhale through the nose, both nostrils together. Inhale. A big sigh out through the mouth. And just keep the eyes closed down, soften the face. No need to rush off in a hurry. And just come back to an easy breath now. No effort, just naturally breathing. And maybe noticing if your nasal passages feel a little bit clearer, maybe. If they don't, feel free to continue this breath for as many rounds as you like, maybe even for 10 to 15 minutes. And gently open the eyes, keep the gaze low. And bring the hands to the heart center. And it has been a pleasure sharing the mat with you over the last 30 days. Well done. You have come so far. So really honor yourself, honor your practice. And we'll close together with a namaste. Take a big breath, inhale. Exhale, namaste.